Hi everyone, today we'll see how to install and set up DBT with Snowflake using VS Code. Before we start, make sure you have the following installed: Python, VS Code, and a Snowflake account. We'll create a folder for the DBT project and open VS Code from the path. Now let's install DBT. Open the integrated terminal by pressing Ctrl and tilde and run this command: pip install DBT Snowflake. This will install the DBT CLI along with the Snowflake adapter. Once it's done, you can check if dbt was installed correctly by typing dbt version. You should see the version of dbt and the Snowflake adapter listed. Now let's create a new dbt project. Run the command dbt init dbt project name. I'll give it as first dbt project. Dbt will prompt you to select an adapter. To choose Snowflake, type 1. To get the account identifier, go to Snowflake, click on view account details, copy the account identifier. Username is the way I have. Authentication, I'll set it as password. Role, I'll give it as account admin. Warehouse is compute warehouse. Database is DemoDB. Schema is dev. It has created a file called profiles.yaml in your home directory inside the .dbt folder. This file stores your Snowflake connection details so dbt knows how to connect and where to run your dbt models. Also, you can see dbt init command has created a basic project structure for you. You'll see folders like models and files like dbt This gives you a clean starting point to organize your SQL models, tests, and documentation. Now change the path to your project folder and execute the command dbt debug. This command checks if your dbt setup is working correctly, especially the connection to Snowflake. If everything is configured properly, you'll see green check marks. Now let's create a first dbt model. Inside the models folder, create a new file called testmodel.sql. Then add a simple SQL query. Select one as ID. Hello as greeting. Save it. To run this model, type dbt run, select testmodel.sql. dbt will compile your SQL model and execute it in Snowflake. You can log into Snowflake and check your schema. You will find a new view called test model. In Snowflake, navigate to the database and schema that you specified in your profiles.yaml file. This is where DBT creates your models. Thank you.